So even within the manufacturing process, as part of everyone's day-to-day task with whatever it is they're doing, there is some sort of sorting that happens from off of the production lines, whether or not it is at Pine Hill Dairy and the Tetra Paks, whether it's at BBC here with the plastic bottles, whether it's at the brewery with the cans and the glass bottles. There are various areas in which types of sorting occurs, and then finally comes out where Bees then aids us in that process in taking it for recycling. We're really grateful where that is concerned, and if for some reason that there is one of these possible recyclables that they're not able to take, it affects one of our core values, which is being responsible and accountable, as well as being good corporate social responsibility, because that is one of our statements for our vision, to be leaders in that area. As a result of this, we're able then to ensure that we have the least amount. We would love to aim for nothing at all going into our landfills. Yes, we're talking about recycling, but obviously we start as well with reuse. And we do also have that relationship going on with Bees bottling as well, because there is what we would consider a waste product for us that Bees has been able to reuse.
What happens to the recyclables that you collect here at Bees?
Okay, we either clean the rum bottles, as you can see here. Any that is chipped or we cannot wash for whatever reason, then we export that glass as a raw material to be further recycled, so you don't lose nothing there. You got now the plastics which we will shred, and the cardboard and so on, we will bale that. So everything that comes in, we can process it in one form or the next in order to containerize it before shipping.
Collecting recyclables in an efficient and cost-effective manner is one of the key factors to success in the recycling industry.
Bees Recycling has started a program where we ask residents to separate all of the recyclables into PET bottles. So you're looking at plastics and glass and other recyclables, so that when they're collected on the trucks, there will be less time spent in sorting, because much time is spent in sorting in the plant when these recyclables are not separated. So we are trying to get bins where the members of the public can actually put the various types of recyclables into these bins. It would be for much more efficient management of the process when they reach the plant.
Ensuring that their materials are recyclable assists Banks Holding Limited in meeting their environmental management objectives.
Obviously, the first aim is to reduce. We want to reuse, and then we want to recycle. And recycling is the third one. We already covered the first two in terms of making sure that our suppliers use the minimum amount of containment and so on when they ship things to us. We reuse what we can within the plant, or as I said, across the groups and so on. We do that. Bees also aids us in that recycling, in that reuse process, sorry. And then for the recycling, which is the last one, that we aim to stop at, because obviously there is the go to landfill option, that then they aid us where that is concerned for the various materials that we have, which could be wood, it could be plastics, it could be tins, cans, it could even be metal that might have been a piece of machinery that might have been once within the plant itself. Obviously there are the batteries and so on for the various pieces of equipment that are in there, and they aid us in ensuring that these things don't go to our landfill.
Here at Banks Holdings Limited, they practice what they preach.
We also do the same thing with our staff, in that the various facilities have staff recycling facilities within them, in which we encourage our staff to do what it is they do as part of their regular routine at work, and to do their sorting at home, and they can come to work and with their various tin cans and their bottles, etc., from all the various processes within their home, and also bring them here that they can also